Payment processing fees can vary greatly depending on how your customers want to pay, making it difficult to predict cost and profitability. Oracle's Payment Cloud Service is a secure, end-to-end payment solution with a consistent and transparent fee structure. Oracle's Payment Cloud Service is architected using rigorous security standards, end-to-end encryption, and is PCI DSS compliant. We have a range of devices to handle any consumer interaction, including our recently released Oracle Micros Symphony mobile order and pay device. Accept any form of contactless payments or offer dip and swipe for higher value card present transactions. Let's take a look at a transaction from start to finish. Orders placed on the Oracle Micros Symphony mobile order and pay solution can be sent to the kitchen automatically. You can also configure fire and stay or course in to ensure food arrives in the order expected. Close checks and flip to guest pay mode. Include prompts for a better staff consumer experience, like include tip prompts such as suggested amounts or percentages. Transaction and payment data is delivered to your reporting and analytics dashboard in real time. Out-of-the-box reports include real-time transactions, pre-settlement to payout, multi-level hierarchy, and check-level drill down. If you're interested in a demo, get in touch.
Hey, did you like what you learned? Make sure to check out this video or this link, and of course, subscribe now.